Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Normal Dino. So before I was making another Scratch tutorial until my thing just closed by accident. But what I was making was wait, wait, be right back. Sorry, someone's distracting me. So I was making a game and then it crashed. So my recording thing crashed. So I restart. So basically, while I was making like a ball, eating this make a bigger ball. So first you want to like get the green flag, of course, to get this. Then you want to make a variable called change colors. Once you have change color, it'll probably look like this. But you don't want it to look like this. So you want to change the slider and then make sure the slider range is like 100. And make sure this ball's color is red. So you can like change the color of the ball like this. See, you can do all kinds of color. So the ball is gonna be like a small ball eating balls, and it's gonna turn bigger after eating lots of balls. So yeah, it's gonna. So once you pick your color that you like, press space. You have your balls, and look, these are complicated. I'll show you these later. So for once you have that, okay, you want to make the walking system for your ball. Just grab. So see, once you pick a color, you want to press space to continue. So you gotta get the code. Wait until key space pressed it, and then broadcast message one hide variable change colors. Like once you press on that, the change color thingy will hide. But you want it to show when this thing collected, so make sure it says show change color variable. Also, set change color variable to 0 at the start. There you go. So once you have those done, you want it to like change size to thirds. You can change the size to whatever percentage you want, but make sure you also make sure you add this. Like, but say you're making a game and oh no, you accidentally move it, you can't move it back. And if you will have this, it will like do it for you and like oh no, I moved it. Just press this. It's all fixed. Also do this. Forever set color effect to change color. That means like whatever like the change. Oh oopsie. The change color thing you have a number, right? Like 52. So it will change the color to that color, to the 78. It's kind of complicated. Yeah, make sure you have these codes and make sure you have these walking code. You can change the speed. These, if you make a higher number, it'll go faster. But if you're wondering why I put negative for these, S and A, because D W and it's like this normal number 5. You go up. S you go. So like basically Y. That's why I'm using change Y by that. Y means up and down, and W. If you press W, if you see these, these move up when I press W. Cause now it's not negative anymore. But if you press S, it's going negative. So S basically means moving downwards. The same thing for A. Yeah, so make sure you have those codes. Yeah. So these codes, yeah. Make sure you have. These are the 3 codes that I have so far, but well, 2. So once you have that, go make a new sprite or find a sprite from the Scratch inbuilt one, and I just pick a random color, like random ball. So I just pick this. The Scratch made it already. Uh, when green flag clicked, make sure to put hide. So look, it's like if you don't put hide, it'll just show. Like if you don't put hide and then like, oh no, I'm gonna play a game and then press that again. Oh no, it's showing. So make sure it's hide. So when I receive message 1, that means this. Like once you press space key, press this, it's gonna tell the other sprite, which is this. Like, oh, this user has just pressed it space. Make sure you do that code, whatever, yeah. So, and then once you do that, you make, yeah. And once he when this sprite told this sprite, like, when he receive his message, it's gonna show and create clone of himself. When creating clones, like you create another one of yourself, and you want to create 10 clones of yourself. So get the repeat 10 thing out, and so it's gonna make 10 clones of it. See? So also do this. When I start as the clone, that's in control. Grab it out from here. Go to random position. So like once you make a clone, these clones just go to random places. See? All the time, every single time these clones are different, going to different places. Yeah. See? So when costume, so this one 5 costume ain't built on building with this ball. You have these. So once you have this 5, so the robot will randomly pick from 1 to 5. So it's gonna pick if it pick 1, it's gonna pick ball A. If it pick 2, it's gonna pick ball B. If it pick 3, it's gonna pick ball C. If it pick 4, it's gonna pick ball D. If it pick 5, it's gonna be ball E. So once it's gonna be different colors. Yeah, and change size. Pick random to 20 to 100. Like you want it to all to be different sizes because it will be look more funky and cooler. So you want to do pick random. 20 is a very small size. Because set size to 20. When that's why it's these small balls. Those balls are probably the one that's 20. And yeah. And 100 are probably these balls. These are that's how, yeah. See, these are all different size. See that? You can collect all these balls. The only ball that you can collect is this. Because yeah, it's the main ball. It's the ball that's making all these clones. So actually, yeah, probably don't put the hide show there. So you know, that's that might probably do. And then afterwards you do hide. There you go. Let me try now. There you go. Now I created it. Yeah. Now, there you go. You can collect all these. Yeah. So once you're done with these codes, you want to put grab forever and then grab if then. And then grab if then. And then go to sensing touching ball. Go to grab this down and do this touching ball. Once it touch ball, it's gonna minus the ball population by 1. So like yeah. One away. When I start as clone, wait, give me a second. Make sure when I start as clone, I change yeah. Clone population count by 1. 7 8 choose clone way 0. Yeah. Make sure it's set to 0 at the start. There you go. See now it shows how many balls you got. See, it's always gonna be 10 because like whenever a ball dies, it's gonna summon another ball. See, so I'll show you how it works. So once this ball, the user, you can be whatever color you want, touches these other balls, it's gonna change clone population by -1, and it's gonna quickly summon another clone of himself and then delete himself quick afterwards. Like so, once you touch him, he's gonna like very fast. It's gonna like minus the clone population by 1, but also create another clone of himself. See, boop, just create another one. Boop, just create another one, and it's gonna right after that he's gonna delete himself. So like he basically gives birth. He gives birth and then he died. Yeah, that's basically. Oh, if you don't press on that. So and then if you know why it always stay in 10, because once he deleted himself, another clone happened, and this clone's gonna use the same code. See that same code. Do this ball. Boop, it's back up there. Same code. Yeah, so that's how I do it. But now I want to make it bigger. So like whenever you touch that. Okay, so whenever you touch ball, broadcast. Yeah. Do not use message 1 because you're already using message 1. See, look at it. It just says like I don't know, another message. Another message. Lol. Not gonna put lol. Just do that. You can leave it wherever you want, but when I receive another message, change size. Change size, like I don't know, two. Look, whenever he touches this ball, he's gonna change size to bigger. Like boop. Oh no, he's growing. See? Look, size 48, 54, 40, 56, 58. See how big he is now? Yeah, that's how the code works. Boom. Collect all these balls. Get them all. Da-na-na. See, bro, now he's huge. See, he's size 166. Much bigger than these other ones. And that's so he's gonna cover this whole page. Oh my gosh. Look at all these. The counter's having a hard time. Damn. He's sized 400. Then he don't even have to move. He just stay here. Move a little bit. He collect the whole page. Oh my gosh, look. 600. He's covering the whole place. Oh, this is only full. Oh my gosh, I broke the game. He ate all the ball. He successfully ate all the ball. Now he's the biggest ball in this game. Oh wow. Dang. It's almost coming the whole page. Oh yeah. once he reached this size 641, he beat him in the game. Dang. It's quite satisfying if you ask me. So first you start off as a small ball. You are the worst ball in this game. You're the smallest ball in this town. But still you start growing in size. Getting bigger and bigger by the minute. These people used to bully you, but now you're bigger than them. Hey, you're the boss now. See? Yeah. Yeah, see? That's how the game works. So you'll broadcast it and tell them, I just touched this ball. Yeah, so now and then this ball too, like, yeah, so you should probably grow now, cause you just ate another one with my brother. Yeah, I should grow. See, and then I was gonna keep on growing. He's massive. No one shall bully him. Should I do repeat 20? Yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna do 15. So there's 15 balls. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na. Get them all. See, what's his size now? Probably 100. Dang, he's massive. Yeah, get all these balls. Yeah, if you wanna copy this game, you could. Yeah, bro, he's so huge. I'm gonna give him more. If you wanna add more balls, just tap on this. There go these balls. It's getting laggier. 100 something balls. The count is broken. Oh my gosh. He's massive. He's more than. Oh my gosh. All the balls are slowly getting in. Oh, he's as big as he can get now. He's the biggest he can get. Hey. More ball. The ball easily just gets deleted. Yeah, bro. He's massive. Dang. Yeah. So make sure once you got set size to like whatever size you want it to be. Yeah, I'm gonna do 3. Yeah, it's a little bit too far. I'm gonna add to 3 minus 3. 3. Size it to like 20. Now he's the size of the smallest balls. And not really. These balls are even smaller. um, 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 eaten 15. I'll catch all you guys. How dare you believe me because I'm smaller than you? Roar! Yeah, I'm huge. Come here. I got you. And this should be a legendary bowl where it gives you plus size 10. Oh, eating you. Nom nom. Roblox. Eat, eat, grow. Mm. You can also make this game because I'm gonna publish it and then you can just Later, I will publish this and the game will be in the description. This game is going to it's right now. It's September 2nd on Thursday. So this video is probably getting released on a Saturday because I have school, which is like in 2 more days because tomorrow is Friday. It's 8:10 for me, so I have school. Oh gosh, so I'm gonna upload this in 2 more days. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's getting eaten so quickly. No, he just completely eaten all the balls except this one. Ooh, it's gone. You know, yeah, I can't speak today, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya. Bye.